Hello everyone, myself Sudeep Kambli, Assistant Professor in Computer Science Faculty. In this video learn about virtual reality. In this video first we learn about what is virtual reality. Virtual reality mean feeling the imaginary virtual world rather than the real one. The imaginary world is simulation running in a computer machine. The definition of virtual is near and reality is what we experience as human beings. Virtual reality (VR) refers to the computer-generated simulation in which a person can interact within an artificial three-dimensional environment using special electronic devices, such as special goggles with a screen or gloves fitted with sensors. Virtual reality is a 3D computer universe that one can access using digital technology. It comes with visual machinery attached to a computer to create the virtual experience. When you are connected to a virtual reality setup, the feeling is ecstatic as it looks so real. Some portion of the system is to use on OLED shows high assurance what's more adequately immerses to make an impressive field of vision. At the movement that these are join a radial new world in confined prior to the eyes. Virtual reality mean feeling the imaginary virtual world rather than the real one. The imaginary world is simulation running in a computer machine. The definition of virtual is near and reality is what we experience as human beings. Then next point is history of VR. 1950s visionary cinematographer Morton H. Eilig built a single-user console called Sensorama. This enabled the user watch television in three-dimensional ways. In 1961, Philco Corporation engineers developed the first HMD known as the headsight. Then next point is how does VRs work? Using a mobile application, a mobile phone's camera identifies and interprets a marker, often a black and white barcode image. The software analyzes the marker and creates a virtual image overlay on the mobile phone screen, tied to the position of the camera. This means the app works with the camera to interpret the angles and distance the mobile phone is away from the marker. The primary subject of virtual reality is simulating the vision. Every headset aims to perfect their approach to creating an immersive 3D environment. Each VR headset puts up a screen or two, one for each eye, in front of eyes, thus eliminating any interaction with the real world. Then next is types of VR. Immersive virtual reality. It is basically a feeling of involvement of the user in the virtual world. The user augmented virtual reality. Augmented reality integrate the computer-generated virtual object into the physical world. Example, Pokémon Go. It has no visual contact with the physical world. Fully immersive reality. One would experience full virtual experience because this type of virtual reality comes with a very powerful computer. This powerful computer must be able to detect sounds, sight, and even the slightest movement. It should be able to adjust the person's experience. The viewer would have a head-mounted display (HMD) and would also put on sensory gloves. To achieve the fully immersed virtual reality, the device will make use of two monitors and a sound system. Collaborative reality is usually in the form of virtual reality games and they are not fully immersive. This virtual reality gives the viewer an interactive experience and so one can even share their experience with other people in the virtual world. Web-based, some scientists have discovered ways to use virtual reality over the internet using the Virtual Reality Markup Language (VRML). This gives people an opportunity to discover new and interesting things the internet can offer. Also, people get to interact and have real experiences with their friends on social media. Applications of virtual reality are as follows. First is modeling, designing and planning. Second is training and education. Third is telepresence. Fourth is cooperative working. Fifth is entertainment. Then first application is modeling, designing and planning. Virtual reality is widely used in engineering and design process and permits the user to see the virtual object in real time and space in virtual environment. It gives better understanding of the design and facilitates changes wherever necessary. By using the tools you can change the texture, color and the object's position observing them at once to see how the whole neighboring world. Example, building construction, car designing. Next application is training and education. Utilization of is expanded in civil industries also because they are safe and give lower operating cost than the actual flight training. In this manner, astronauts were trained utilizing virtual reality as it is more proficient and they can otherwise likewise perform hazardous tasks in space without any fear. Another application is pharmaceutical where they permit study and preparing and performing surgeries of different parts of body. Another case is virtual classes, where student introduce at where can examine with virtual teacher.
Virtual reality hasn't exactly seen the booming success in gaming and entertainment that was once expected.
Let's do this.
But this VR has a totally different purpose, keeping workers safe.
Go ahead and say evacuate for half mile.
It could also keep VR alive.
Wow, looks like we made the right call.
At a time when headset shipments have been down 4 of the last 5 quarters, and just a month after IMAX announced it will close all its VR centers this year. Market forecasts predict spending on virtual creating training modules.
Obviously flammable, explosion risk.
Like this one, which teaches first responders how to identify and react to explosive chemical leaks.
Next application is telepresence. Telepresence technology allows the user to perform the medical operations in a distant widely different condition with the assistance of VR user connection. The non-controller undertaking demonstrate an alternate nature of telepresence in distant broadly unique working condition. This framework that uses HMD and force feedback dealing with expertly gives a man of science to see a magnifying lens a chance to see, have a sentiment of and make utilization of something with the highest point of the agent of condition. Next application is cooperative working. By making the use of network-based virtual network, it is possible for the remote users to collaborate with each other. Information is shared for the cooperative working by using the highest bandwidth. For example, COCAD desktop system that permits a group of engineers to work together within a shared virtual workspace. Next application is entertainment. The large use of virtual reality is increased in the field of entertainment due to constant hardware power improvement and falling prices of hardware. VR is all about immersion and the feeling of presence, so you can truly become the character that you are playing in the game. The primary subject of virtual reality is simulating the vision. Every headset aims to perfect their approach to creating an immersive 3D environment. Each VR headset puts up a screen or two, one for each eye, in front of eyes, thus eliminating any interaction with the real world. For any queries, contact me with the given email address. Thanks for watching this video. Do like, share, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos.